back to the channel. I want to thank you guys for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. So I'm bringing you a special video. Today I have a brand new mod. I can't wait to show you. Come with me. We're gonna take a step back. And what do you see that's different here? That's right, we have a brand new Fancywide under tray diffuser. Now I want you guys to stay tuned for the install. Coming straight out of Russia. Pay no attention to the address there. But yeah, let's unbox this. Can you guys guess what it is? I mean, if you read the title, it's kind of a dead giveaway. I ordered this from Russia and it got here in, I want to say 19 days. Okay, made some progress and see what we got. So I finished unboxing everything. Here's the big diffuser, the big under tray, the side pieces here in the correct orientation. Comes with all the hardware, the brackets, and of course the big fins here that will go in the middle, right in these two spots. For example, let's see if you can get this fitted in here. This will go like so, and there's a little notch right about here. See that? Get that in the spot. And now looking at this, it didn't come in instructions, but we can figure this out. I naturally would want to put this here, line it up with these holes. You know, obviously this is just a mock-up, but you get the point. We would then use the hardware, figure out which ones go there, to sandwich this together there. Shout out to Fancywide. I appreciate you guys sending this out to me. And of course, if you guys want to buy one yourself, they included a discount code here. So feel free to use that. Check them out on Instagram. But I'm gonna have to figure out how this gets installed. Did not come with instructions. There are a few sped up, very fast forwarded videos on their YouTube, but for previous generation M's. The E90 one looks very similar to this. So I'm gonna try to use that as a guideline and figure out how to install this. But I'm very excited and I can't wait to install this. So far, I've installed the right big fin. I used the bracket that came with it. And the bolts, you're gonna have to use an Allen key with that. The Allen key is this Allen key right here. This is a 5/32. Okay, we're gonna use that. Hold the bolts and then put the washer and the nut that came with it on the other side against that bracket to hold it all together. You're gonna need a 10 mil for that nut. And then, as you can tell, on the inside, same thing. So this is one side done with this one fin. Now I have to get the other side. So a quick update. I finished the big fins on the inside here. These are all bolted down. Just get them hand tight. So I got this now. This is the middle. And I'm pretty sure that this is orientated this way. These are gonna go together. Gonna use the same Allen key bolts, nut, and washers with it. We're gonna save these for later. Those are gonna go in some different spots. So allow me to give you an update. The right wing of the diffuser here, this section is complete. We've got some more Allen bolts. Put that down. So that will connect to the inside here with the nuts and the washers provided. So you can see I got the right side finished, the middle finished, and we just need to work on the left side. Now, as much as I love these M branded carbon fiber exhaust tips, and trust me, I really love how they complete the look. The little blue and purple burnt look goes perfectly with my titanium exhaust system. My problem with these is the fitment. It's very flush. It's almost tucked in there. I wanted to have a bit more poke. When I measured this last night with the tape measure, it was 5 inches. Like, and it's barely hanging on to the tailpipe. So that's just not good enough. I wanted to poke out some more because I'm about to put the big under tray diffuser. So I'm gonna have to take these off. I'm gonna put the other tips I had, and I'll most likely list these for sale. So look out for that, possibly on eBay, or you can just DM me on Instagram. We can set it up through PayPal. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the other tips I have on because I really wanted to poke and look crazy with the diffuser. So now I'm about to get the old tips off my AWE switchback exhaust, which is still for sale, but I'm selling the whole thing. All right, y'all gotta get this whole bad boy here, the whole thing. I'm not just selling the muffler. So yeah, anyways, I gotta get the carbon fiber tips off of that. I bought them from Amazon. Oh, these are 6.6 inches as opposed to the 5-inch ones that's on my car right now. And you know damn well that 1.5 inches goes a long way. So yeah, I'm gonna get these bad boys off. This is a 10 mil, I believe. And yeah, let's get these off and put them on the car. So we're back, we outside with it now. I got the new tips on right there. Way better, by the way. They actually poke like crazy. They poke out so crazy, it'll go perfect with this Fancywide diffuser. So I'm by myself doing this. Let's see if I could get this done on my own. Not because it's difficult, but because you kind of need a second pair of hands to balance this thing. Let's see what we got here. This has to flip over for sure, I know that. Oh, don't damage it, don't damage it, don't damage it. Ooh, okay, here we go. I know I gotta use this. This part's really confusing. These came with it, and from what I saw on their website, on their YouTube, they had an install video for the E90 M3, and it looked very similar to this one, because this is a very similar diffuser that they use for the E90s. I believe the way they did it, this would come here, and somehow that would line up somewhere here on the right side of the tailpipe. Oh, I hate this kick sensor shit. Yeah, you heard that. That's why I usually keep it like locked with the hand glove. There's a button in the hand glove compartment that you could just turn that off. So let me see, that's gonna go, if that lines up with allegedly somewhere here. Oh, I get it. Okay, I'm just saying that. I don't think I really get it. Where would this go? Is it just to... That's a great question. Alright, let's go mock this up under the car and try not to hit anything or scratch anything, or... Yeah, good luck with that. Let's see. Where would this really go? Because the only confusing part for me really is those long ass like bolts. Where is this screwing into? Oh, I feel like it lines up with the hanger screw, and that's gonna connect it over. These guys are so smart. That's actually a really good plan. So at first I was very confused as to what we do with this long ass bolt and why they gave us this spacer collar. Well, apparently it lines up perfectly with the bolt that's holding up the exhaust hanger. So that's gonna connect, that collar right there is gonna connect it to this long ass bolt. It'll be really secure to the chassis of the vehicle. Like, this is, they really thought this out. I'm so happy I went with Fancywide so far. And look how nice that looks. Oof. Can't wait. Speaking of wait, I might have to wait, but until I get a second pair of hands to help me put this up properly. in case you're new to the channel and you're wondering why is it called Hot Rod M4? Well, here's why. My car was vinyl wrapped Hot Rod Red 3M vinyl. So I just decided to keep the name since that's what everybody kind of knows me on YouTube as right now. And we're just gonna rock with it. All right, so quick update, mid-video. I'm just gonna wait until my pops is home. That way I have a second pair of hands to balance this, hold it in place, and connect that perfectly up there. Because I know damn well I'm just gonna end up dropping it. So these brackets, these little small ones that came with it, I believe that they go right here in the OEM mounting point, and the other one goes here. We're gonna test it up and test fit it to see if this is the right orientation or if I need to turn this the other way or however, but I feel like this is the correct orientation. So we're gonna see. I'm about to mock this up. So this bracket goes here. You have to sandwich that. And yeah. Had to take out the diffuser so we can access that and squeeze in here to tighten it up. Tight fit. Sandwich against that.
Alright. So this is solid, you know, just the corners gonna catch up.
So we just finished up. Was able to catch these two spots right here. Able to catch the clips, the OEM mountain spots. Didn't quite get this one, but that's okay. I feel like they included all these holes so that way you have options. This was from the diffuser, and you just reuse it. It sandwiches this diffuser. But yeah, this is the final product. Same thing on this side. We got this spot and that one to catch. We also got this to catch here. So it's even, it's tight, it's sturdy. See? Yeah. Big on the tray, boy. Do you see? Big dog. Look at that. Sheesh. Got the big, you got a big side piece here, and then I had to bolt it up to the big under tray in the middle. These fins, these are bolted on too. You can see the nuts and bolts and everything. From there, bruh. You see how like they got the engraving? Like they lasered out the name on the inside there?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, that shit's tough.
Yo, you still got smoke coming out your shit.
Yeah. Oof, this angle, bro. I really wish the sun was out. Look at that. Nah, that's tough. That's tough. All this shit I put together in the basement myself. And I waited till my pops came home later at night so we could both mock it up and hold it up. It's kind of heavy. It's aluminum. It's not carbon fiber.
Aluminium.
And you see, you sound like Matt Watson. You see, we got a long ass like bolt there. That shit screws on to the exhaust hanger on bolt at the top. It came with like a collar like nut, so it's like you spin it up and it connects both. This shit is so fucking secure, bro. Like Fancywide, they make stuff for people going to the track or for like the throwback old BMWs. Yo, so I was hyped when I saw they had it for mine.
So what's the actual function of the diffuser then?
Diffuse the air. It cuts through the air. All is diffusing it. All the air that travels underneath the car.
Oh,
so you're more stable when you go to like high speeds.
So shit has like it's aerodynamics then.
It's all aerodynamics. That's why like the big wing. I felt more stable when we first put that on last time we were here. I felt way more stable driving home fast, or like even turning fast, because it's like it helps plant it better. So the more power you put, the more the car wants to go sideways because it's rear wheel.
I mean, there's a real answer. You could get the real information, but that's like the pro science behind it. More stable, mostly looks for me, because I'm not. One day I'm gonna take your cousin up on that offer about it. Let's come to the track. But I'm like, I told him I'm gonna go if Andy goes.
He's up his own car page now, right?
Yeah, I shared this shit on the community post, so hopefully he got some followers, some subs for that. But I love how this shit looks specifically. Remember I had the big trade in the past, the carbon fiber ones, but I destroyed them like when I slid off the road in the snow that time. And the second time I just sold it because I wanted something less like in your face. And now I'm back to, I like having the under tray because it's special. Nobody else has this. I've never seen it in person.
Well, I mean,
I've only seen it online.
I would say just,
on the yellow
just
one.
continue to do aesthetically what you do with the car, because like it's added aggression to the car without making it over the top.
Yeah.
I don't know if that compliments
Appreciate
what you're
that.
trying to say, but like, yo, like it's added aggression, but it's nothing crazy. Like it's not no big ass fucking wing. It's not no like.
I still gotta sell it. I gotta
skirt.
list that for sale because
That's what I'm saying. But like,
I really thought I was gonna put it on, and I didn't though. I was like, you know what? I'd rather have a big ducktail, and even that's good enough for me.
because now it's like little pieces that just add that ever so slight aggression. They all coming together, bro. That just adds to the silhouette of that bitch. Like it's,
This shit is mean, bro. Like especially with the duck build here, the Turner Motorsports spoiler. Low key, it looks like those Corvettes with the high kick. So some of them have that high kick, like short back and high kick up like that. I like those. I fuck with those.